Hi everyone, welcome to my home gym. This is workout number 16 and we'll be working on our chest, biceps, and back. We'll be doing 6 different exercises, starting with the chest press, seated curls, pull-ups, incline chest fly, inverted curls, and kneeling pullovers. In this workout I go heavy, but I only max out the machine with the chest press. So this is 2 circuits with 3 exercises per circuit, 10 reps per exercise with 4 sets. We'll be taking a 30-second rest between sets. I'll provide the timer, and we're increasing in resistance or elevation with the completion of each set. And keep in mind, if your sliding bench doesn't have any resistance bands, or if you don't have resistance bands, get creative, put some weight on there, maybe a weight vest, elevate even higher. There's different options out there to work with. With this workout, I'll put timestamps in the description so you can jump around to each set as needed, but I recommend that you just go from start to finish and follow along. Be sure and warm up. Have a good workout. Let's go. So here we have circuit number 1 with the seated chest press, and I'm sitting lower on the glide board so I can be in line with the pulley system. I have one 20-pound resistance band in place and at the 15th level on the tower. The second set I'll add another resistance band, third set and fourth set all the way till I have all 4 resistance bands with a total of 90 pounds of resistance. This will be the only exercise where I go all out with the resistance. Jumping right into the seated curls, I have my back straight posture, minimal movement in our shoulders, extending outward, and curling all the way up to complete the exercise. Alright, here we have the pull-ups with the wing bar attachments. You know, these sliding benches, the Total Gym, the GR8FLEX, they have 3 options on where to put this wing bar attachment, from lower to middle to all the way to the top. Well, I have longer arms, so I have it on the highest level for this exercise. So it's really important that I fully decline or fully extend my arms on the decline for this exercise and pull all the way up to the top to complete the exercise. Alright, here we have the start of circuit number 2 with the incline chest fly. And for this exercise, I have to lean back a bit to try to find that angle to stretch out my chest, but also be mindful not to put any stress on my shoulders. Jumping right into the inverted curls, and this is one of my favorite bicep exercises for the reason that you can't really cheat on it. You know, you're laying on the glide board, you can't hunch over, you can't use your back for this exercise, your biceps, your arms are isolated. As long as you fully extend, outward and squeeze all the way to the top, you're doing this exercise correctly. Jumping right into the kneeling pullovers to target our back. Not only are we working on our back, but we're working on our core as well. I mean, look at the stress on this exercise. I'm trying to keep my back straight while trying to pull over. The core is engaged. It's a pretty good workout. All right, everyone, that's the end of workout number 16, where we targeted our chest, biceps, and back. We went pretty heavy in this workout. That's, for the main reason for the 10 reps rather than 12. If you completed this exercise, let me know how it went in the comment section. I always appreciate feedback. Hope this content is helping. We'll see you on the next workout number 17. Thanks for watching. God bless.